Okay, so welcome to Velo Fan Motorcycle Workshop episode 10, and in this episode I'm going to be fitting the exhaust pipe to the 1928 KNS and also repairing one of my oil pipes from the tank to the crankcase as I found it was leaking. So let's get into it and see how I get on. I need to try and fit my exhaust system now, so we'll have a look at this. I'm going to try and put this thing through back here. Hopefully hold that in place a little bit. I'll just stick my footrest on now. Leave all these fittings a little bit loose for the final jiggly bit. Alright, now I've got this bad boy. It's all lined up, not too bad, apart from this silencer bit's hitting the stand a little bit. So alright, so exhaust is on, footrests are now on. I'm happy with that, that's good. I'll give this a little bit of a polish. It's been sat around for quite a while off the bike. Yeah, So as with any restoration, you always find things that need doing, and in this case we've got this oil pipe here. Found that this solder joint here is leaking oil, so I just redo it. I'll try and show you a bit closer up. If I'm trying to get this out of the way of the light, there we go. Yeah, so again, it's not really getting you in focus on the actual joint, is it? But that's typical. Yeah, so anyway, it's a bit dry looking and it leaks, so we're going to just, yeah, first of all we'll give it a bit of a heat, try and get rid of the nipple off of this pipe. But what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to avoid desoldering this part of the pipe to this pipe. So if I can avoid the heat getting to there and just deal with this, that would be great. And then we'll then go for a silver solder. Alright, there she is, smoking. Alright, first attempt ever at some silver soldering. I've got some quite fine rods. I could do a paste for the flux, but I'm going to try and warm that slightly and dip it in my flux and see how that goes. And then obviously warm this and see what happens. But never done it before, not sure how hot I need to get it. Could be a disaster. Let's find out.